Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make fried sardines. I have about 1.5 dozen fresh sardines. I'm just gonna marinate that with some garlic, about 1 tablespoon garlic. Then I have about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. I'm gonna add in my curry leaf and my salt. Then I've got about a tablespoon of fish masala, but you can add any other masala if you like. Now I'm just going to marinate this together. And I'm going to let this sit for about 20 minutes and then I'm going to fry it and get it nice and crispy. Okay, I've got my pan on medium heat and I'm ready to fry the sardines. They're nice and marinated. Okay, I've been frying this for about 20 minutes until it's nice and crispy, and now I'm just going to turn it again and remove it. This is a family favorite and it's freshly caught from Durban. Okay, now I've got my second portion in. I'm just going to turn it over. Okay guys, the fish is ready. It's nice and crispy. You can have this with some nice fresh butter bread. It goes great with bread. And that's it guys, it's all ready.